www.gibsonTruckWorld.com 2006 Dodge 2500 Laramie Crew Cab 5.9L Cummins diesel 4-wheel drive with only 63k miles, riding on 325s and 18-inch Pro Comp wheels. Under factory warranty 3/12/28/11, adjustable pedals, power leather seating, CD player, wood grain interior trim, keyless entry, alarm, chrome Nerf bars, bed liner, towing package, power windows, power door locks, and power mirrors. It's hard to top the value of this Laramie Cummins diesel. Dollar for dollar, you can't go wrong with a Dodge. Gibson Truck World is highly regarded as the world's largest, most trustworthy truck dealership. Gibson is the only dealer that gives a real free 12-month bumper-to-bumper warranty valid across the continental United States, 12 months free maintenance from our 23-bay service department,